So, but don't do that. You have to move here. Receive the ball here. I make this movement, receive, control. Did you see now? And start. Bravi, bravi. Good boy. Bravo. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. No problem. No, good try. Ok. We are here just for learn something. Siamo qui per imparare qualcosa. And from the mistakes we learn something. But it's important to open the mind. Dall'errore, no? Si impara qualcosa, ma bisogna aprire la mente, ok? So, tomorrow we try to repeat the exercise and add something, ok? More. Aggiungiamo qualcosa facciamo lo stesso aggiungendo qualcosa di diverso, ok? Perché qui in 10 metri c'è il calcio, in 10 meters we play football, ok? Grazie ragazzi.